Good afternoon, my fabulous students. By the way, I am Teacher Premacy Almeida II, but just call me Teacher Prem. So now, may I call everyone to please stand up for our prayer, and may I call Chrismy to lead the prayer for this class. Okay, in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, amen. You may take your seat, class. So now, can you please look to the left, look to the right, who is absent from this class? Okay, very good. No one is absent. So can you please give a round of applause because you got the perfect attendance. So now, class, let's review our last discussion. So what was our lesson that we discussed yesterday? Okay, very good. It's a verb. So what is verb? Clarino? Okay, verb is an action word. So what are the examples of action words, Regan? Okay, actions words such as the example is like dancing, singing, and cooking. So now, before we proceed to our new lessons, I have the games here. So are you excited to play a game? Okay, everyone is so excited. Everyone is excited. So now, the games is all about cause and effect chain. Do you know what is cause? Do you know how to play the games of cause and effect chain? Okay, so now, I'm the one who will start you. So first, I'm going to divide you into two groups, and then you have to do is you need to identify and create the cause and effect relationship in collaborative way. So how to play? So this first, there's a first card, and then each group come up with a starting event and situation. So the first goes like, for example, it started raining heavily. Then the student will work together, come up with an effect of the cause and write it on the next card. So after that, another examples, then you need to you need to connect the effect. So like the street started to float, that effect then becomes the new cause. So that effect, it becomes a new cause. So for example, the street started to float, then the effect, then cars could not drive through the water, and then until all the cars are filled and creating, until the events cause and effect, then short time, then all you should know is you need to take turns presenting the cause and effect chain to the class. So you can tape them to the board in line. So visual chain is easy to follow. So as you have to know, I instruct you just now that you need to put each group should be put an examples of cause and effect until it will be rotating like it will be like there's something like when the cause and then effect it will be the cause and then the cause and then effect until it will be the end of the sentence or the. So now, okay, are you excited? Okay, so if you say yes, then are you excited? Okay, so everyone is excited. So now you get the activity or the games. So let's give a round of applause to each group. So now, as you can see, I have a short story here. So are you excited to read a story? Okay. So before that, what can you say about the picture? Class? Anyone? Okay, Mary Ann? Okay, the picture tells all about the dog. It's a dog. So, okay. So right now, I have a story here. So can you please read So the title of the short story is My Pet Dog. So Sam is my pet dog. Sam likes to run and catch a ball. I take Sam to the park every day. So what is the title of the short story? Okay, My Pet Dog. So what is the name of the dog? Of the pet dog in the story? Okay, the name of the pet dog is Sam. So what does Sam like to do? Okay, Jinky. Okay, very good. Sam likes to run and catch a ball. Very good, Jinky. So where to take the pet dog? Okay. So Sam takes to the park every day. So now let's proceed to new story. So before that, okay. So the short story here is all about. Okay, so can you please read the title? Okay, the title of the story is The City Mouse. So everyone, can you please read the story? Okay, so now the city moves is Anna lived in a quiet town where life was slow and simple, but she had always dreamed of working in a big hospital and helping more people. Because she wanted to become a skilled doctor, Anna decided to move to the city. So that's why Hannah likes to she has a dream of working in a big hospital, and that's why she decided to move to the city. And many people move to the city so that they can find better opportunities. And Anna was no different. So Anna has a high hope, so that's why she moved to the city. So and then she found a job at a busy hospital downtown. That's why class. She started waking up earlier and adjusting to the fast-paced life. Every day, traffic moved slower because there were so many cars on the route. She learned to leave her house an hour earlier just to make it on time. As she walked to work, she saw people entering buildings because there were lots of jobs in hospitals, office, and school. So as you can see, Anna, when she walked to work, and then she saw a lot of people entering the buildings, including the hospital, offices, and school, because a lot of people want to apply the jobs. So however, the city had its downsides too. The city was crowded with lots of people. So garbage and other forms of trash became a problem. So however, class, the city had its downsides too. So which is the city has crowded. There's because a lot of people are living in the city. So especially there's possible that a crowded place, which is there's possible that there is a garbage. As you can see, there's a place will be a messy. It's because of lack of responsibility. So garbage and other forms of trash became a problem in the city. So that's why that's the cause. That's the effect. So still Anna knew she had made the right choice. Even Anna knew that this is she had made the right choice because she followed her dreams. And that's why she likes to helping more patients and growing in her career. So now class, based on the story, I have a few questions here. So what is the title of the story that you read? Okay, Jean Sandalo, very good. The title of the story that you read is all about the city mouse. So who is the character of the story, the main character? Yes, the giraffe. The main character of the story is Anna. So now, why did Anna move to the city? Okay. Angelo? Very good. And Anna moved to the city because she wanted to become a skilled doctor and also find better opportunities. So, why did Anna start waking up earlier? Mary Ann? Okay, very good. Because she worked in a boarding hospital and to adjust the fast-paced city life. So, why does traffic move slower in the city? Okay, I repeat the question, class. Why does traffic move slower in the city? Okay, very good, Vincent. Because as you can see, or as you read earlier, there are so many cars on the road. So very good. So why did Anna see many people entering building every day? Okay, Jasmine. Okay, because as you can see, because there were a lot of jobs in the city and the people enter each building because they want to apply and then to the hospitals, offices, and especially the schools. So why is garbage a problem in the city? Yes, Annalene, because the city is crowded with lots of people. So why did Anna? Okay, so that's the problem because this garbage is a problem in the city because there's a lot of people living in the city and the city is crowded now. Yes. So now, based on based on the activity or games or the story, do you have an idea what is our lessons today? Okay, so anyone? Okay, Chris Mead, very good. It's all about cause and effect. So now, before we proceed to cause and effect, we have a classroom rules here. So can you please read? Okay, first, always be kind, be respectful at all times, and raise your hand to speak. And then ask questions if you have a question. You can ask a question. When first you need to raise your hand if you have a question or you need to speak. And then listen carefully to your teachers, especially to me as your teachers, and also help each other. So you need to help each other and also I'm willing to help you because I am your teacher here. So, and also learn from mistakes. So if you have a mistake, you need to apply this as a lesson. So work quietly. Okay, so please when you are working or working your task, you can work it quietly and then play safely, of course, and always do your best. So once again, what is our lesson today? Yes, cause and effect. And then, let me read the objectives. So, the objective is, at the end of this lesson class, the learners are expected to differentiate the difference between cause and effect. Identify the possible effect for each given process. And then, the last one is, develop a curiosity to explore how and why events have happened, leading to a deeper understanding of the world around them or around to us. So now class, what is cause and effect? So first, we need to discuss about the cause. So everyone, can you please read the cause? Okay. So the cause is the reason why something happens. So especially the cause is, when finding the cause, look for reason why something happens. So this is like that. So now, let's proceed to effect. So effect is what happened as a result of the cause, and also this is what happens as a result. It's because To find the and also to find the effect, look for the outcome of the cause. So we need to look the outcome of the cause, and that's the result of, and that's what we call the effect. So now, so a cause impulse is a reason will always happen first. So that's why the cause is the first reason. So it always happens first class. So it is followed by the effect and outcome or result. So and that the cause is a reason and also it's a first always happens and it followed by the effect as an outcome or result. So now, okay. So now class, for you to easily separate the cause from the effect, look for the clue words like, for example, especially if you need to identify if there's a sentence and then you need to identify which is the cause or the effect, and this, of course there's a clue for this sentence, so you can easily identify or whether this is the cause or the effect. So this kind of clue words such as because. Okay, can you please read? Okay, because. So that's why and so that. So what are the clue words, class? Okay, the clue words that you can easily find in the sentence. So you can easily identify the cause and effect is so that's why and so that. So now I have an example here. Okay, so now class, can you please read the examples? Okay, Warren forgot his assignment, so he was unable to submit his work to his teacher. So the cause here is very good, Regan. The cause here is Warren forgot his assignment. And that's why the effect is he was unable to submit his work to his teacher. Okay, this one. This is the effect. And the cause is. So now, as you can see, which is the clue word here in the sentence? Very good. The solve. So now let's proceed to another example class. Okay. So here. Okay, everyone, can you please read the number 1? Okay, Trina cried because she cannot remember her way home. So now, okay, all you have to do in this class is you need to identify the clue word here in the sentence. So the number 1 class is, which is the clue word here in the sentence? So, Trina cried because she cannot remember her way home. Okay, Angelo? Okay, very good, because. So let's circle the because. So which is the cause here? Very good. The cause here is she cannot remember her ways. So this one is the cause class. So how about the effect? Lerino. Very good, Lerino. The effect here is Trina cried. So now let's proceed to the number 2. So Rachel, can you please number 2? Okay. A gate pass for one customer is required in mall. That's why only few people are inside. So, okay, anyone? Can you look for the clues in the sentence? Okay, Mary Ann? Okay, very good. The clues in the sentence is that's why. So let's circle that. Clues. So now, can you identify which is the cause and the effect in the sentence? Okay, very good. So which is the cause here? Very good. The cause here is a gate pass for one customer is required in the mall. So this is the cause. So what is the effect in the sentence? Jasmine? Okay, very good. It's only few people are inside. This is the effect. So now let's proceed to the number 3. Our cars in James broke down, so we have to walk our way to school. So now, can you look for the 2 words? Very good. The 2 words here is saw. Let's circle this. So, can you, which is the cause here? Very good. The cause is our car's engine broke down. So let's underline this cause. And the effect is GP. Okay. We have to walk our way to school. So this is not out of the cause. So now, let's proceed to number 4. Okay, can you please read the number 4, Angelo? Very good. Avoid going to places that you can also avoid flashing unwanted illnesses. So the clue is in class is, okay, you can easily identify that. And then the cause here is, yes, so you can avoid going to polluted places. So the effect is you can also avoid touching and wear illnesses or. So now, now class, do you get our lesson for this afternoon? Okay, very good. So now I have a lot of examples here. So next example is I'm going all you have to do is identify and copy the phrase indicating the cause on the other blank or write the phrase indicating the effect. So this one. Okay. So now I'm going to read this one now. So all you have to do, I'm going to shuffle the sentence and you need to arrange the sentence. So first, the number one is some people live in the city because they need to be near where their jobs are. So, okay class, which is the cause here? Okay, very good. The cause here, class, is they need to be near where their jobs are. And the effect, okay, first me, very good. Some people live within the city because that's the effect. Some people live within the city. So, how about the number 2? Okay. The number 2 class is, can you please read? Okay. There are also people who like simple and peaceful living, so they live in a place far from the noise of the city. So, can you 5, which is the cause here. Okay, giraffe. Okay, very good. The cause here is people who like simple and peaceful living. So this is the cause. One. So the epicure class. Okay, continue. Okay, they live in places from the noise of the city. That's the effect. So let's underline this one. This is the effect. Okay, and can you please read the number 1? Okay, some people live within the city because they need to be near where the jobs are. So the effector class is some people live within the city, and then the cause is they need to be near where their jobs are. So what are the two words here? Yes, the number 1. And the number 1 is because. And the number 2, how about number 2? Okay, very good. Mary Ann, so. Over here is so. So now, let's proceed to. So now you get the lessons that I discussed to you. So let's proceed to our group activity. So I'm going to divide you into 3 groups. So the first group, the group 1 and the group 2, and then at the back there is the group 3. Boys at the back, please quiet. So now, can you please read the directions group 1? Okay. Direction is you have to recall the story, the singing move, and then match the given cause with its correct effect, so choosing the letter of the answer from the back. Write only the letter of your answer in your answer sheet, which is the answer sheet that I was giving to you. So next is the number 2 is write your own sentence. So there's a group 2, then in the group 2 you have to do is to write your own sentence showing a cause and effect using these 2 words. So the 2 words which is because, so, that's why, and so that. And then the group 3 is the group will you have to dramatize the cause and effect and scenarios, and then you have to demonstrate to understand. Okay? So I will give you 5 minutes to complete your task, and I hope group 1 and group 2, please choose your representative to represent your answer here. And the group 3 will be having a dramatization in the front. Okay, so now, are you finished? Okay, all the groups are finished. Okay, group 1, okay, class. They got a perfect task. So they got their perfectly task. They finished the task perfectly. So let's give a round of applause. Okay, let's give a round like 5 claps. So 1, just copy. I just listen to me, and then after that we can do it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now very good, group 1. So how about group 2? Okay, the group 2 are they got their task perfectly too. So now let's proceed for the group 3. Okay, very good, group 3. There are amazing actors. The members of the group 3 have a good actors. So now, before that, I'm going to call anyone here in the front, and then you have to do is to answer the number 1, number 2, and the number 3, number 4. So Clarino, can you please answer the number 1, and GP answer the number 2, and Rega answer the number 3, and the number 4 is Benton. So now let's give a round of applause of Clarino for having a good answer of number 1. So number 2, do you think GP's answer is correct? Yes. Okay, very good. So now how about the number 3? Okay, do you think Rega's answer is correct? Okay, class, his answer is correct. And how about Vincent? Okay, very good. So now let's proceed. Before that, I have a few questions before we proceed to our assessment. So, once again, what is our lesson that we discussed today? Okay, the lesson that we discussed today is all about cause and effect. And then what is the cause class? Okay, Regan? Okay, the cause is the reason why is something happens. And the effect, please me, very good. It happens as a result of the cause. So what are the two words to easily identify the cause and effect in the sentence? Okay, so that, and that's why, and cause. So now let's proceed to our assessment. So each of you should be able to answer it to your one whole sheet of paper. Can you please get one whole sheet of paper? Okay, now, so all you have to do is to answer that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you please read the directions? Okay, match each cause on the left with an effect on the right in your notebook. Write only the letter of the correct answer. So, as you can see, the other side is the cause and the other side is effect. The side of effect, there is a multiple choice which is A, B, C, D, E, and then all you have to do is to choose the correctly, the cause. As you can see, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the cause, and all you have to do class is you need to choose which is the effect here. So now I will give you 5 minutes to answer this assessment. So, anyone? Okay, we're going to check your assessment. So, okay, very good. So who got the perfect score? Okay, and very good. Everyone got the perfect score. So now you know how to identify the cause and effect. Now let's proceed to assessment class. So assignment class. Okay, can you please the assignment? What is the directions of assignment? Can you please read the directions of assignment? Okay. Write 2 sentences with cause and effect. So all you have to do is to write 2 sentences with cause and effect, and then you pass your assignment tomorrow. And that's all for today's class. Goodbye.